How should the 360-degree panoramic image be debugged after installation is complete? Open the 360 Panorama app. Click the settings icon on the left side of the screen. Click on Parameter. Please click on Splice. Select the 5th calibration chart in the image. Ensure that the calibration marks on the chart are visible within the frame of each camera's view. Click on Enter Parameters. Click OK. Enter the vehicle's length and width. The unit of measurement is centimeters cm. Select the lens type with the model number 60482053108OP. Click Start Stitch. Perform calibration of the front-facing camera. Calibrate according to the numerical order displayed on the screen. Adjust finely after dragging to the approximate position. Click Save after completing the calibration of 8 points. Calibrate the left, right, and rear cameras by following the same steps as before. Click Done after all calibrations are completed. Then, the 360-degree panoramic view stitching is completed. The placement method for the 3.60-degree panoramic calibration chart.